Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
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 Thank you for attending this morning's company turnover evaluation meeting. Before it begins, I would like to make sure that all of the meeting participants are present and hear my voice clearly.
Yes, it's clear.
It's clear.
It's clear.
Okay, thank you. But before that, I would like to submit an agreement for today's meeting. First, all meeting participants can turn off their microphones except for the person who is speaking. Finally, when you want to speak, ask question or answer, meeting participant can press the raise your hand button first. How do the meeting participants agree?
Agreed.
Agreed.
Agree.
Agreed.
Okay, thank you. The agenda of our meeting today is to discuss the cause of the decline in the company's turnover in the last 5 months, which will be carried directly by Ms. Director. Furthermore, to open this meeting, we invite Mrs. Director to give her remarks.
Okay, thank you, Mrs. Amanda. Good morning, colleagues.
Morning.
I would like to thank you all for your attendance and time for our important meeting today. As we all know, our company has experienced decline in turnover in the last 5 months. And the purpose of holding this meeting is to evaluate it and also be able to discuss actively so that we can produce useful meeting results. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Director, for your remarks. Next, we will hear a presentation from the head of sales, Ms. Tepa, regarding the decline in turnover in the company. I'd like to welcome Ms. Tepa.
Thank you, Miss Amanda. But before that, I will be assisted by Hannah, who will share her screen regarding today's presentation. Hannah, please. Okay, good morning, everyone.
Morning.
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 I am Yolanda Stefani, Sales Manager. Here, I will present the sales turnover for 5 months. Next. Couture Collection Companies is one of the big manufacturers on Jenderal Ahmadiyani Street, Bandung, and has started from 2020. Big companies began to emerge along with the increasing needs of the community for storage and transportation of personal items. Over time, bags developed not only as functional tools but also as fashion accessories. Next, these are the products we sell on the market. The first is Bennett winch. The second is Crumpler. The third is Church Bee. The fourth is Marc Jacobs, and the last is Louis Vuitton. Next. Here I show the sales turnover chart for 5 months. In March, the sales turnover reached 90% of the target. Then, In April, the sales turnover decreased by 20% to 70%. Then also in May, the sales turnover increased again by 10% to 80%. Then, unfortunately, in June, our sales turnover decreased quite significantly by 15%. Then in July, it decreased again to 50%. Next. Of course, this decrease in turnover is due to several factors, namely the first, decrease in product quality. That occurs due to lack of consistency of choosing raw materials. Then, the lack of product innovation. That occurs due to lack of following existing trends, so that the product we produce are out of date. Then, the lack of promotion on social media. This happens because our company still use a marketing systems through nearby shops. And the last factor is increasing competition. This happens because more and more companies are producing bags with a variety of variations that are more attractive and superior in the market. Thank you for the time. Let's discuss for the solutions. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your presentation, Ms. Tepa. Next, we enter the question and answer session. Please feel free for those of you who would like to ask question or give feedback.
Mrs. Steva, regarding the point of product quality declaration, is there any specific data regarding the types of defects or problems found in our product? This is important so that we can make target improvements.
Thank you for your questions, Ms. Villa. From the customer feedback, the main issues reported are the decreased durability of the products and physical defects in some products, such as cracks and sloppy finishing. We also received reports of unsafe packaging and that resulted in product damage during shipping.
Yes, Mrs. Steva, this information is very useful. We will conduct a more in-depth inspection of the production line and work closely with the quality control team to ensure quality standards are met again. Thank you.
In terms of information system, I see some problem in updating sales data. Sometimes the sales data is not synchronizing with the stock data, making it difficult to do proper product planning.
From the financial statements, we can see an increase in production costs and a decrease in profit margins. This could be one of the factors affecting selling price and consumer interest.
I observed that there is a fierce competition in the bag market. Many new brands with more attractive design and more competitive prices have emerged.
We experience problems in meeting the fluctuating market demand. Sometimes there is overproduction and other times there is a shortage. In addition, the unstable quality of raw material also affects the quality of raw material sorry also affect the quality of the final production.
Previously, our division has also reached several fields directly, that there are products that have more attractive quality and shape as well as products that are more trendy nowadays. And our sales have decreased especially in areas that were previously strong.
From the staffing department, we also face employee and motivation issue. Employees feel less cared for and is not interesting development program for them. Because in the past, when we recruit new employees,
Atuh dah
we
itu
direct
si Wiwitnya
trying
nu ngajak
them in
sedepan.
their respective departments.
Ida, aku mah bukan ngetawain Ita.
Sorry, Mrs. Director, if that's the case, do we need to consider new incentive program or training for our employees?
That's a good idea. But before we continue, are there any new suggestions or ideas from the sections heads to address this issue?
I have one idea, miss. What if we launch a new product that is more innovative and in line with current market trends? We can do market research first to make sure the product will be well survived. Uh, received. Thank
Oke dah. Cicing kerapat heula sia mah teh cicing.
That's an interesting idea. What do the other section heads think?
If we launch a new if we launch a new product, we also need to make sure the production line is ready. We also need to double check the machines in the company to make sure production is running smoothly.
From the financial side, we can also manage the budget for research and development of new products, as well the necessary marketing costs. However, we must be careful in managing the budget so that it does not interfere with other operations.
What if we overhaul the warehouse management system? Maybe we can implement a sticker FIFO or first in, first out system.
I will immediately make improvement to the information system to ensure sales and stock data is always accurate.
to conduct more in-depth market research to find out the latest trends and customer preference. In addition, we can also consider doing more aggressive promotion.
We will improve our quality control and look for more reliable material suppliers.
We need to improve the distribution system and increase after-sales service.
I will evaluate in the incentive system and provide additional training to employees.
I will conduct a thorough cost analysis and look for ways to save money.
Thank you for your input. The suggestions are very valuable. Let's form a special team to discuss the solution further and come up with a concrete action plan. I am sure with good cooperation, we can overcome this problem and improve the company's performance again.
Okay, if there are no other questions or comments, we will move to the conclusion of the meeting. For that, we will like to invite Ms. Zalfa as the secretary to summarize today's meeting. Please, Ms. Zalfa.
Okay, thank you, Miss Amanda. Based on today's meeting, the director decided to create a new product in our company with much better quality than before. And as the head of production, to look for more reliable raw materials to reduce losses. The head of marketing will promote our latest product. The head of personnel decided to organize training for employees in their respective departments. The head of logistics will improve the warehouse management system with FIFO. The head of IT will improve the sales and stock information system. And the head of finance will organize finance regularly when making new products. That's the summary of today's meetings. Is there anyone who wants to add or correct?
Thank you, Mrs. Delpa. A very good and comprehensive summary. I hope all departments can work well together in implementing these plans. We need to move quickly and effectively to put the company back on a positive track. I would also like to remind you that good communication between departments is very important in this process. Do not hesitate to discuss with each other and share information as needed. Thank you all for your participation and contribution in today's meeting. Let us work hard together to achieve our goals. Is there anything else you would like to share before we end this meeting?
There seems to be no more, Miss Ayla. If so, can we close this meeting?
Yes, please close, Mrs. Amanda.
But before I close today's meeting, I would like to ask the participant to join the documentation first. Okay. Thank you again to all meeting participants for your time and contribution in today's meeting. Hopeful what we have discussed can be contribution in can be implemented immediately and have a positive impact on our company. the online meeting to evaluate the decline in company turnover today, 20th of August 2024, is officially closed at 12 o'clock. Congratulations on continuing your activity and have a great day. Thank you and see you at the next meeting.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.